In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams using the camera recording feature. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, conducting a self-review, or wanting to share a message with your team, recording yourself on Microsoft Teams is a practical skill that can make a substantial difference. Let's dive into the steps and get you started. First off, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. Head over to your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account to access all the features you'll need. Once you're on the home page, look around and you'll notice various options, but our next step involves looking for and clicking on the Meet option. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. By clicking on Meet, you're setting up a new meeting or joining an existing one, but for our purposes, it's all about that initial click. Next up, you'll want to click on the Join button. Think of this as initiating a meeting, albeit just with yourself. This step takes you into the meeting environment, which looks and functions like any typical meeting on Teams. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you're just a couple of steps away from being ready to record. Now that you're in the meeting environment, it's time to prepare your camera. Look for the camera icon, which should be visible once you're in the Join Now interface. You'll need to toggle this option to turn your camera on. This little switch is crucial because without it, nothing will be recorded through your camera. Ensuring your camera is on is your green light that everything is visually ready for the recording. Afterward, while still in the meeting interface, hit the Join Now button. Clicking this solidifies your presence in the meeting, like saying, "I'm here and ready to go." This establishes your recording session even if it's just you engaging with the camera. Finally, once you've finished recording, you'll need to exit your session, and that's as easy as clicking on the Leave button. This neatly wraps up your session and ensures all your recording activities are brought to a close. Remember, leaving the meeting correctly helps in saving and processing your recording as expected. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully learned how to record yourself using Microsoft Teams. This simple yet effective tool can enhance your online communication, making it easier to share your thoughts confidently with others. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever needed until it becomes second nature. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy recording!